So we're going to remain in this lane and follow the road ahead. Now they'll more than likely go red. They'll never give you a free run like this. It never. Well, that's why he's slowing down. There we are. So gentle braking. As soon as that light comes off green and goes amber, which is then going red, you need to be slowing down. You need to come off the gas. Because what we're doing is we're coming off the gas, but we're coming off it quite late. That means your braking will be harder. Now here, we wouldn't need to signal to go left because you can only go left. But when we get to the place where your left lane filters from the ahead lane, you must signal left.
Okay.
This speed is good, don't go any faster, so you've got enough time to process and plan, especially with this crossing. Now start your routine, mirrors and signal, left mirror check, come into the left lane, follow the road round and don't go into that cycle lane. That's good, well done, that's nice. You can go into that area if you need to avoid going into the cycle lane. It means that your approach speed was just a little bit too fast there, okay?
Okay.
This speed is too fast. Bit more to the right. So we mustn't go into the cycle lane at the moment. The reason for that is obviously because of the cyclist. At the traffic lights, go ahead. So we want to get close to the line on the left, which is the cycle lane, but not go into it as we go ahead.
Okay.
Bit more to the right, that's the cycle lane now. Now look in the left door mirror, get closer to the pavement, but go ahead. Go a little faster, Brian. That's it, keep to the left, go ahead. You're turning the wheel too much. There. Go ahead. That's good. That way you're setting yourself a distance away from the curb and you're trying to reference and keep that as you're driving.